In the diagram below, line AB is parallel to CD, meaning you could call this line AB and this one line CD, and those are parallel to each other. So now we know there's going to be some relationships between the angles in there. It says the measure of angle ABE, which is this one here, is 38 degrees, and the measure of EDC is 16. Find the measure of BED. Explain why you are correct by presenting an informal argument that uses the angle sum of a triangle. So, we're going to set this up like a proof. We have our claim and we have our evidence. You should have seen these in ELA. You do CERs. This is going to be similar, but it's going to be for math. So for number one, we're going to say that this angle is 38 degrees. So angle BCD is 38 degrees. And our evidence is because it is an alternate interior angle to angle ABE. Okay, so this one we know is 38 degrees. Now we have to figure out this angle here, and we know that all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So if we remove 38, that leaves us with 142, and then we can remove the 16, and this angle will be 126 degrees. So we can say the measure of angle CED is 126 degrees, and our evidence is the angle sum of a triangle. We're going to label it like this: triangle, angle, sum. That's this part right here. They should all add up to 180 degrees. So we know that one has to be 126. Now, we know that a straight angle is 180, so we should have whatever the other one is plus 126 will make 180. So this angle should be 54. So we're going to say the measure of angle BED is 54 degrees because of straight angles. This line here makes 180 degrees, and if you add 126 and 54, you get 180.